Hi, this is Dazzling Daisy. Welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone! Ngayong araw ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-register ng SIM card. So it's been a month since SIM's registration started, kaya naman naisip kong mag-register na rin ngayong araw. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ko. And here's the link for SIM registration. Kailangan lang nating mamili depende sa kung ano yung SIM card na gamit natin. I am a TNT subscriber, kaya naman pipiliin ko itong pangatlong link. So I was redirected in the registration homepage, and there are 3 steps to complete our SIM registration. Step 1, get your PIN. Step 2, input your information. And Step 3, wait for the SMS confirmation. Bago mag-register, ihanda muna natin ang ating cellphone for OTP at ang ating ID dahil kailangan natin itong picturean mamaya. At ito ang listahan ng mga ID na maaari nating gamitin sa pag-register. Step 1, get your PIN. Let's start our registration by entering our mobile number. Lagyan ng check ang box to acknowledge that you have read, understand, and accept the terms and conditions as well as the privacy notice. I-click ang Send OTP at makakatanggap ka ng text message from your telco provider that contains OTP. Ilagay dito ang OTP at i-verify. Success! Your mobile number was successfully verified. I-click lang ang OK at magpatuloy. Step 2. Input your information. For type of registration, i-click lang ang drop-down at mamili depende kung saang kategory magfo-fall yung SIM mo. Pipiliin ko yung pangalawa dahil ang i-register kong SIM ay matagal ko nang ginagamit. Next is customer information. For nationality, ilagay ang Philippines. For ID card, i-click ang drop-down at mamili ng ID na available sa'yo. Pipiliin ko ang passport since yun yung ID na meron ako. For ID verification, i-click lang ang take photo at picturean ang iyong ID. Dahil passport ID ang ginamit ko, kailangan kong picturean ang aking information page at ang aking signature page. Pagkatapos ay scan naman ang face. Your ID was successfully scanned. I-click lang ang OK at magpatuloy. And automatically, yung information mula sa ID natin ay may lalagay sa form, like our ID number, first, middle, and last name, birthday, and sex. Double-check your info bago i-click ang next. Next is address information. Ilagay ang iyong address at magpatuloy. Kailangan din nating mag-provide ng alternate contact information. Kaya naman ilalagay ko rito yung details ng aking kapatid. Ilagay ang mobile number at ang email address ng iyong alternate contact at i-click ang next upang mag-proceed. And this is the summary of our information. We can review and double-check it to make sure all information is correct. Then put a check on the box as a confirmation na ikaw ang tumapos sa registration at lahat ng information at identifications na iyong binigay ay tama. Then click next to proceed. Step 3. Wait for SMS confirmation. After our confirmation sa summary section ay makaka-receive tayo ng text message from Smart confirming that we have successfully activated our SIM card. Let's take note of our control number and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this simple tutorial helped you to register your SIM card. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!